today our topic is maths expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is a numeral. Numeral means a number when expressed as a means written as a sum of the place value. Place values means these place value of its digits. According to the place value, if it is written, then it is called expanded form. Expanded form. See here, it is a number 2514. 4 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. Okay, what we did? 4 ones, 4, 10 ones, 10, and 5 hundreds, 500, 2000s, 2000. All together we have written. To get this number, all we have to add. By using plus symbol, we have written together. By using the plus symbol, we have written all the numbers together. Now, this can be written as 1000. Means we can write in a word form. We can form. Here one example of expanded form. We have a number 2514. We are writing the place values of the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here multiply with the place value. Each number multiply with its place value. 2 in thousands place. 2 into 1000. And 5 is in hundreds place. So 5 into 100. Next. 1 in a tens place. 1 into 10. And 4 is in ones place. 4 into 1. Ones place, it is not 0. Remember, maybe children will get confused. This is ones place. It is not 0. Now, if you multiply 2 into 1000, it is 2000. Plus, I told you no, by using the plus symbol, we will write all the numbers together. 5 into 100, 500. 1 into 10, it's 10. Plus 4 into 1, 4. So, this is short form. This is short form. Expanded form only with all the numbers we will write. Okay children, now come to this one we call short form and it is expanded form. What is expanded form? We have to write in the expanded form all the numbers with its spellings. 2, 2000, 500, 500s and how many tens are there? 110 and how many ones are there? 4 ones. If he asks you to write expanded form means you have to write this one. You have to write this one. Okay? 2 in 1000 place with spelling 2000. THOUSAND 2000 plus 500s 5HUNDREDS hundreds, it's not 100. Here 1000 not thousands. Okay, plus 110. Only 1 is there, no? That's why we wrote 110. If it is more numbers means 2, 3 tens we will write. Now 4 ones. How many ones are there? 4 ones. This is the expanded form and this is the short form. This is the short form and this is the expanded form. Okay children. Now in bits here also expanded form will write very easy method. 1000 TH, 1000 TH shortcut, 100 H shortcut, tens T shortcut, ones O shortcut. 2000, 500, 110 and 4 ones. It's not 40. It is 4 ones. Okay. This is one more way of writing expanded form. It is only for bits purpose. If it is given in the questions, you should not write this one. It is only for the bits purpose. Okay. In the blanks only this method is used. While come to the question and answers, this method we have to use. Short form. If he gives you expanded form, you have to write short form, and if he gives short form, you have to write expanded form. Very easy for you, children. Now let us see in your textbook. We have some models. Here in the page number 150, we have some examples of these expanded forms. I told you, in the blanks only this method is used. Here given a number 5348. 5348. What we need to do is we need to put in the missing boxes. Which number is in the thousands place, children? Yes, 5. So we have to write 5 in the box. Now in hundreds place, which number is there? Yes, 3. So we have to write 3 in the hundreds place beside. Now which number is there in tens place? Yes, 4. We have to write 4. Which number is there in the ones place? Yes, so in this box write 8. Now the expanded form is 5300, 410 and 8 ones. Okay. Now here 7204. So what will come in thousands place? 7. What will come in hundreds place? 2. What will come in tens place? It is a 0. So write 0. What will come in ones place? 4. Now third one, 3012 given. 3012. So put 3 in the thousands place, and in the hundreds place only 0 given. So 0 put in the hundreds place, and 1 in the tens place. Next 2 in the ones place. 5001. 5 in the thousands place. Here not given any number, only 0 written. So we have to write only 0. In the tens place also 0. And ones place 1. So we have completed writing this missing digits. Now we have one more model. Write the place value of each digit in the box. Write the place value of each digit in the box. Here given one 2485. Our number is 2485. Here see arrows given for these numbers. According to the places we have to write its numbers. First write up place values. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Okay, I told you in the board how we have to write 5 into 1. 5 into 1. That is 5. We can write it as 5 ones. Now pass. 8. It is in tens place. So we have to multiply with 10. 8 into 10. It is 80. We can write as 8 ones, 8 tens. Next, 4 is in hundreds place. We have to multiply with 4 into 100. Very good. It is 400. Now, 2 is in thousands place. So we have to multiply with 1000. 2 into 1000. That is 2000. I don't have much place here. That's why I am writing. Maybe you can able to write. If you don't have sufficient place to write, you can write beside. Okay, children. And we have one more example. 1365. Here I don't have place, so I am showing you on the board. Here we have a number, that is 1365. 1365. What we have to write? We have to write its each digit's place value. It is in which place? Ones place. Now 6 is in which place? Tens place. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. 1 is in which place? Thousands place. 1 is in thousands place. Now 5 in the ones place. 5 ones. 5 into 1, that is 5. So we can write it as 5 ones. We can write it as 5 ones also, or we can write 5. Okay. Now 6 is in which place? Tens place. 6 is in tens place. So multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. 6 into 10. That is 60. That is 60. So we can write it as 6 tens. Place value is 6 tens, or we can write it as 60. Now 3 is in hundreds place. 3 is in hundreds place. So we have to multiply with 100. 3 into 100, that is 300. So in words 300. Okay. Now last place, thousands place. What number is given here? 1. 1 is in thousands place. So 1 into 1000, that is 1000. Like this also we can write, or we can write 1000. We can write 1000. In this way, we have to fill the boxes, children. Here, arrows also given in the textbook and number is also given. What you need to do is, you need to write the upper place values, mark the place values, then fill the boxes. Okay children, 2 more examples we have. Let us see in the textbook, page number 151. Here, third example, see. 8065 is the number. So mark the place values. 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, and 8 is in thousands place. 5 ones. 5 into 1, 5. So we can, I told you no, we can write in the ones place, 5 ones like that also. I don't have place here, so I am writing only one method. If you have place, you can write both the methods. 6 is in tens place, so 6 into 10, that is 60. Now hundreds place, 0 is in hundreds place, 0 into 100. You all know, if you multiply any number by 0, what you will get? Yes, it is a 0. Yes. Now in the thousands place, what number is given? 8. 8 is in thousands place. So multiply with 1000. 8 into 1000, that is 8000. Like this we have to fill the boxes. One more example we have, see. 5381. Very easy, no? Now you try to solve this example in your own and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay children? Finish your homework and send it to my number. Don't forget to write your homework. Okay children, stay home, stay healthy.